When I'm not wearing my press-on nails that are pre-made, I love sprucing up the basic press-on nails with stickers, gems, and accessories. Like this set, this is a base from the BT Art box with just pink French tips, and I added some gems and some nail stickers. So let's do a nail accessories haul for some new goodies I picked up from Temu and Shein to help spruce up your basic press-on nails. Now everything was super affordable as usual. Y'all know Shein and Temu don't play. They were like $1, $2. I love nail stickers. Let's start off with this one. Now this is just a one sheet of stickers. These are really easy to apply. You just use your tweezers and lift them off, and you can just lay them on any nails that you just want to add some designs to. I'm telling you guys, you don't have to be a certified nail tech. You literally can just buy stickers to do any design that you want. Like, instead of hand painting or hand drawing, these are all just stickers that I also got from, I believe this was from, these right here were from Temu. So just want to share that y'all can start your own little DIY nail tech business. Okay, so showing you some more stickers. I did pick this up, which is just a sheet or two of some Hello Kitty stickers. You get 2 sheets. So it's a sheet of gold, and you have the bows, you have Hello Kitty, you got hearts, really cute. And then I have the silver version as well. These are just letters, so if I want to just spell something out on my nails, I'll have a lot of different options. This is the gold. You have both your capital and your lowercase letters. Yeah, this nice spot. I love this. And this one, it's kind of silver, but not really, because I do see specks of colors as well. I'm going to use these on my darker nail sets, of course. And just be very careful when you are taking these off of the sheets, especially when they're so tiny, because they can rip on you. So aside from stickers, I do also love to play around with gems, rhinestones, and just decals. To pick up those gems, rhinestones, and decals, I got this little pen thing. Now essentially this is just to help the process be way easier. And of course, you know, I got it because it's pink. So you have a tip at the end here, which I think is just like wax, and it's supposed to help you to pick the charms up. So like this, which I also got, these are just rose gold flatbed rhinestones. Screw that off. So if you wanted assistance to pick up these tiny gems, you would just go like that, and bam, just to help you. Also has this metal section here. I think the metal one is to do the bigger stones. I could be wrong, girl. Like, I don't know, because nothing's happening. Nail techs, more advanced DIYers, please let me know in the comment section, what is this side for, because it's not doing anything. Oh my god, please help a girl out. As far as I know though, I'll just be using this wax part just to pick them up. Do they work on the larger ones? Oh man, I mean, I guess you can. Oh, kinda. I'm gonna have to play around with this because it does seem to only work on the small gems. From Shein, I also got these. These are supposed to be flowers, but they are way bigger than I really wanted them to be honest. Let's take a look at them. I love that you get so many different colors, but they are huge, especially for my tiny nail beds. But the pink one is gorgeous. Look at that. I don't know, y'all. These, and they're so flat. I think they should have made them a little bit more curved so that they would fit nicely on the nail, but let me know. I don't think I like these at all. I might have to try to return them if Shein would allow it, but too big in my personal opinion. But yeah, I love the colors. Look at the orange one, that's nice. Oh, and this brown one. Oh, they got a green. Oh, look at the green. Next up are some cherries. I did pick these up from Temu, and these all came in these compartments here. I'm just trying to maximize the storage space, so I did put some additional gems that I got from, I think these sets are from SHEIN. So let's start off with the cherries. I love when the charms come in these little compartment containers just to help with organization. Love that for me. Not really a big fan of cherry, but you know, I'm trying to get into it. These were also way bigger than I expected them to be honest. Like, they are huge, but I can see where I will definitely be able I'll definitely be able to do more with this, just in terms of placing them on the nail. What do you guys think? I think that's really cute. This is the red one. And this compartment here, I just had some hearts. I'm gonna try to put like a screenshot over here so that you can also see what comes in the set for this, but they're just different types of hearts that you can put on your nails. Ooh, look at this one. This one right here is nice. Look at that. And it's the same thing in just the gold option over on this side. Got these bows in just different shades of pink and pastel purple, as well as a white. These also are gonna look so cute on. Really big though, but maybe I can just like do one as like a centerpiece nail. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is all the back of them, so they're flat backs. Did also get this one. So cute. Have like a Hello Kitty type of bow with that one. I can't wait to organize all of these. That's also one of my favorite part with getting these charms, is just putting everything together in the different organizational storage boxes, which I picked up. And I'm talking about these. I did buy a bunch of these from Temu. It has all the different compartments. So after the video, I'm just gonna sit down and I'm gonna organize all of my hearts, my bows, silver, gold, like all that. Highly recommend buying some of these if you are looking to collect gems and not have them take up a lot of space. So next up is my girl Hello Kitty. Right, I love this. Let's get our tweezers and take a peek up close. So we got pink, red, blue, a lighter shade of blue, and just regular no color. Starting off with this one. This is what she would look like. Love that. Love that for me. And then we have the pink one. Oh, it's like a light pink and then a bright pink over here. See that? It's our light pink Hello Kitty. So this is our light pink Hello Kitty. These are going to be so cute on the nails. So cute. I got some cute little bears. These ones are really tiny. Let's just pour them out into my palm, and then we're gonna put them into a storage container. But let's do a close-up. They're all the same thing. Oh, they're so tiny. But look at that, they're just cute teddy bears. And they're kind of like a tarnished silver color. So cute. So cute. I've already started packing everything in one of these, so let's just put all our bears in this compartment. Will it fit? Yes. Awesome. All right, the last charm set is this one, and woo, this is a lot. I don't know how many come in this pack. I remember this was from SHEIN though. I was a little bit disappointed because they're yellow gold and I was looking for, like, you know, either gold or rose gold, but there are so many different charms in this set and I think it was only $2 and change. Some of them though are quite big because, like, look at this one. Like, hello. This is definitely a thumb, but it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be a thumb, but that's gonna be so dope. I'm going to have to sit through and try my best to sort out all of these to just have some organization. But, like, look at this one, that crown. You got more bows. I think you got a rose. Oh yeah, you got like a rose. Look at that one. Yes. Oh, this is like a safety pin. Guys, this is going to be so cute. I'm so excited for all of the fun designs that I'll be able to do and just to use these to decorate basic nails. You got your cash money right here. So this was just my little haul. I hope you guys loved it. Just to let you guys know where I get some of my charms that I use to design my nails sometime. I'll try my best to link what I can in the description bar. But yeah, this is everything. And as usual, I hope you guys love the channel. Check out all of my other nail videos. I'll try to link them down in the description bar. Until next time, bye.